Let's talk about GlasWeld resin. Now, quality resin is probably the biggest key to a really safe and durable and good-looking windshield repair. Now, resin is used to fill the break in the windshield, and once it's UV cured, it bonds and ensures the structural integrity of the windshield is fully restored. So choosing a long-lasting, strong, and technologically advanced resin is pretty important to your business and to your customer safety. Now, GlasWeld resins are all independently and internally tested to ensure that they exceed all industry standards. Now, let us help you decide which resin is best for you. We offer a couple of different sizes, the 15 ml size and the 30 ml size. Now, with a 15 ml bottle, you can complete about 100 repairs, while with a 30 ml bottle, that will cover about 200 repairs. So you can make a lot of money and do a lot of great work with just a small bottle of GlasWeld resin. Now, most of our resins are available in two viscosities. Now, viscosity just refers to how thin or how thick the resin is. So thinner resins, which we call all-weather, they work well in all kinds of climates, moderate weather, climate-controlled settings, and different places all around the world. Whereas warm weather resins are best used in really hot places and in the peak months of the summer. Now let's talk briefly about when to use each one of the tints from GlasWeld. First off, if you're new to doing repairs, don't stress about it. All our tints will work with most repairs, so choosing the right tint is just a way to perfect or improve your repairs. Now, our newest resin, which is the worldwide patented onyx resin, is a black resin that actually has masking properties similar to a polarized sunglass, which helps to cloak and really hide the finished repairs. It works great in almost all types of repair situations, in most weather and climates, but where it really excels is big repairs, tight repairs with long legs, anything with a lot of reflectivity. But if you really want to just keep it simple and use one resin most of the time, this is probably the best choice for you. Now, gray resin is a really popular choice for star breaks, long legs, certain cracks, and short cracks. Amber is a great option for bullseyes and combination breaks, especially those that have a lot of crushed glass right in the middle. And clear resin is just a classic choice for those that prefer a tint-free option. Of course, our team here at GlasWeld is always ready to help you troubleshoot your repairs, offer helpful tips for future jobs. So give us a call at 541-388-1156 or visit us at glassweld.com for more information. See you next time.